Hello everyone. Welcome to couponswipes.com. Are you interested in treating yourself to some luxurious skincare while enjoying fantastic savings? You've come to the right place. At couponswipes.com, we are excited to help you save big on your favorite mCaffeine body care products, all infused with the goodness of coffee. Whether you're looking for a rejuvenating coffee scrub, a nourishing body lotion, or a refreshing coffee face mask, mCaffeine has it all. Plus, with our exclusive coupon codes, you can score unbeatable deals. Grab your mCaffeine skincare coupons and promo codes for the best discounts at couponswipes.com. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to find incredible mCaffeine deals and save while pampering your skin. Here are the simple steps to unlock those fantastic savings. Head over to couponswipes.com, type mCaffeine into the search bar, browse through the list of available coupons and deals to find the one that's perfect for your skincare routine. Copy the code and click Website to visit mCaffeine's online store. Choose your favorite coffee-infused skincare products, and at checkout, paste the code to enjoy your discount. Check the description for a direct link to mCaffeine deals and start saving while you glow today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for new updates.